To discuss this holiday heart syndrome and other medical related issues, we have Doc Joseph Lee joining us via Zoom. Good morning, Doc. Thanks for joining us again. Nice to see you.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas. Good morning, Angela and Diego. And good morning to your televiewers.
Oh, Doc, thank you for joining us. Paskong Pasko, nandito ka with us, no?
Why not?
Doc, I remember last year, we talked about, was it
Yes.
not holiday heart, but holiday sickness syndrome? Parang
Oo.
similar to that, di
Mm,
ba?
mm,
So let's
mm,
talk
mm.
about this, Doc. What is holiday heart syndrome?
Okay. First and foremost, Diego, disclaimer, I'm
Of
not a
course.
cardiologist,
Yes,
but of course, I'm definitely a doctor that we can do and acknowledge medical problems like your holiday heart syndrome. This is more or less very common in the holiday season or the Christmas season
Oo.
because, like what you said, there is over drinking of alcohol. We don't consider as fatigue in drinking alcohol, but chronic alcoholism
Ah,
might lead to holiday heart syndrome. This is secondary to the acetaldehyde, which is exhibited by your alcohol that will trigger AF. When you say AF, atrial fibrillation or irregular heartbeat to the heart muscle. Okay, that is where you have your holiday heart syndrome that will come into
yes,
place.
oo. Of course, Doc, ano ang magiging epekto nito, lalo na, dagdagan mo ng lechon.
Siyempre, ano yan, risk over above risk, When you have alcohol, you or over and above alcohol limitation, you'll go into dehydration. So when you get into dehydration, then you get into symptoms of palpitation, shortness of breath, dizziness, fatigue, electrolyte imbalance, okay? This is can be exhibited both on a normal non-metabolic disease individual. When I say non-metabolic disease, Angela, Diego, these are people who are not hypertensive, doesn't have any problems with diabetes, no, or any exhibit of irregularity of the heart.
Yeah.
But this can be also more aggravating for people who are on their mature age or senior with metabolic problems. So mas mabilis. That's why when sometimes we see that suddenly a 30 years old male individual suddenly went into a heart attack. So probably he might underwent holiday
Heart
heart
syndrome.
syndrome because of sudden atrial fibrillation or irregularity of the heart muscle secondary to over alcohol or intake of
Oo.
fatty foods
Okay.
during the event.
O yun na nga, no? Kasi nga holiday, kaliwat kanan yung mga Christmas parties, di ba? Kainan,
Exactly.
kaliwat kanan ng inuman at kainan, yung iba na impatsyo na. And aside from our heart, that we need to take care of, yung ating urological, di ba, system. Di ba? Ano yung mga holiday urological health tips mo naman para sa amin?
Oo, with all the lechon, the fat, the
Oo.
ano ba?
Ano ba mga
Okay,
dapat gawin?
ano dyan, Angel, Angela, okay. Now, if you know that you're 50 years old and above and you're taking medication and you have enlarged prostate or you call that a benign prostatic hypertension, one is, of course, maintenance has to be up, meaning umiinom ka ng gamot. But sometimes kasi, when you overdo your alcohol or intake of cholesterol, this can cause risk factor of retention, and problems of the bladder, di ba? And overexcitement or sympathetic reaction to that can cause problems of voiding and
Oo.
micturition. And probably, sasabihin mo yan, Angel Angela, para bakit hindi yata nagwo-work ang maintenance ko? Then you have to be brought to the emergency room wherein they
Ay.
have to insert a catheter into your urethra.
So kanina nga nabanggit ko, kaliwat kanan yung mga parties, kaliwat kanan din yung mga pag-inom, 'di ba? Alcohol, caffeine, etc. So it is also important, Doc, I think, no, I guess na mag-hydrate tayo.
Yes, agree ako dyan, Angel. No, there is a thing that you go into alcohol rest. When you say alcohol rest, yes, partying is okay, but of course, when you do party every other day or every
Oo.
day, that's very exhausting and very fatigue in the urological system or even in
Yes.
your heart, no. So if you really want to have party, you choose the party that you will attend, or probably 2 in 1 week, okay na yan. Kasi minsan, Angel, di ba, Diego, yung party mo, every day, umiinom ka. Eh, yung
Yeah.
inom mo, hindi mo alam how many is that. And di ba?
Hindi mo na
So, you
matrack.
get in, hindi mo natatrack yan eh. Di
Oo,
Oo.
ba?
oo, oo, oo.
So, Doc,
When you get in.
ang tanong dito kasi binabanggit natin alak, pagkain. Idagdag natin ang stress. Ano ang
Ay, isa
impact
pa yun.
itong trifectang combination? Alak, pagkain, stress, isama mo into one holiday. Ano ang epekto overall sa kidney, sa liver, sa heart, sa baga?
Ay, yun ang ultimate killing machine.
Oo.
Killing risk factor
So may effect ang
indicator.
stress ha, yung ano yung
Oh,
niregalo
yes,
mo,
oo.
ubos na pera mo, traffic, ganun.
Exactly. Oo, kasi you have that on top of a very big indicator. Indicator 'yun eh. So it will dawn to you na parang ito na. Oh, I think that will be a problem that will later on cause more risk factor for you.
Ayan, doktor na nagsasabi, may impact ang stress. Kasi doc, sometimes when you say, nasa-stress ako, nakakasakit ako, some people still don't believe that. Eh, wala lang, nasa utak mo lang yan. Yung pala, may impact talaga sa physical health.
Yes, oo, kasi when you are alcohol intoxicated now, your system, some of your system has been deemed denervated, or some, you especially yung mind thinking aspect mo, 'di ba?
Oo.
Kaya sometimes when you are on alcohol, you tend to be on a happy spree. You don't think of a lot of bad or depressing events, 'di ba?
Para makalimutan mo, problema mo.
Oo, pero most of the time, what is the triggering stress effect is from your friends o yung kainuman mo. Bibigyan ka ng parang, oy, alam mo ba, ganyan, dahil na nagkakanya, doon
Kasama
mati-trigger
na.
yun. Oo,
So, double
doon
trigger.
Okay.
Exactly.
So habang nagiinuman kayo nung friends mo, meron kayong pagkain. Eh yung pagkain na yun, alam naman natin hindi healthy din ang mga kinakain kapag nagiinuman, 'di ba? So ano ba yung mga holiday food na dapat iwasan na would trigger yung natin, yung mga bladder natin, ma-irritate yung bladder natin?
Rephrase ko lang ha, mahirap umiwas sa masarap na pagkain. Ano ang dapat bawasan? Yan, or in moderation.
Pero it's funny, di ba,
Oo.
Angel, Diego? Are you pairing the wine with salad? There is none pairing of that. So
Yes,
yung
oo.
wine, you have to pair it with something. Natatawa si Angel.
Prosciutto.
Exactly. You have to pair it with something that is like fatty, that
Yeah.
makes it delectable. And those food that has very high uric acid. Di ba? Yung mga sisig, mga ganun. Saan ka nakakita ng very veggie food, then nagwa-wine ka? Parang ang pangit, parang mali.
Pika-pika mo,
Di
kangkong,
ba?
tsaka lettuce.
Oo. So, ang natin kasi dyan is like, alcohol can also trigger your bladder to react and deactivate, or to react more. So one thing is reacting kasi it becomes hypersensitive and hypertonic, so you tend to go to the loo or to the comfort room more often. Diba?
Yeah.
Now, if you have already a ongoing and large prostate na malaki, tinitreat ng urologist mo, baka ma-aggravate ng retention. What does it mean by aggravating retention? Baka tumaas ang ihi and urine formation because of alcohol. Baka hindi mo makayanan, di ba? Hindi ka makaihi bigla, mag-shutdown yung sphincters mo.
Ala.
Baka magkaroon ka ng instant urinary retention. Yun na nga, kagaya na sinasabi ko, Angelo, pupunta ka ng ER, magpapalagay ka ng
catheter.
catheter.
Para mag-
Oo.
Yun,
But
ano,
speaking
oo.
of visiting the bathroom, so I think it's also important, Doc, na to stick to your regular bathroom schedules even if nasa festivities ka. No, kasi usually traffic or ayaw mong fear of missing out dun sa kasayahan sa party, you're holding your urine too long.
Dala ka
And
ng
that's
bote
sa
also
kotse.
bad. Go ahead.
You should be conscious, Diego, Angel, where is the bathroom? Number one, nobody is not conscious. Kasi we are always conscious of, like, when we go to a cinema, where is the fire exit? Diba? O ngayon, ito, pag when you're in party, siyempre, maraming tao yan. Initially, kailangan, if you intend to drink a lot of alcohol, you know you will urinate because of its diuretic effect. Kailangan una-una hanapin mo na saan ang bathroom. 'Di ba? Kasi minsan, yung isang event venue mo, yung bathroom malayo. Paano pag yung bathroom nasa second floor?
Yeah. Oo.
'Di ba? Hindi,
Yeah.
totoo, honestly. Or kasi pag ganun ka, minsan tataramarin ka ng mag-urinate. Where do you want to do? Where do you want to go, 'di ba?
Oh,
So,
perhaps you can tell
i-map
us,
out mo,
perhaps you can tell us, Doc, kung ano yung mga dangers of holding your urine. Kasi akala nila baka okay lang yan, di ba?
Okay. The danger is you'll end up having infection, 'di ba?
UTI.
So you get to party and then later on you get to to have urinary tract infection. That's very basic, no? And second, like what I was mentioning a while ago, if you have enlarged prostate on the process of treatment or maintenance, you might trigger a sudden urinary retention that will bring you to the emergency room and place a catheter, a temporary catheter. Even a temporary catheter is not good, diba? To be inserted.
I know that, Doc.
For that reason, di ba, Jex? For that reason, nobody wants to put a French 16, ang laki-laki, tapos lalagay mo dyan and take it off then the next day, di ba?
Sakit.
Just because you have retention and you just went happy and crazy the night after that. So, it's not really something that you want to do. So, yun ang natin. And of course, other factors than that, if you have, like sinabi ni Angel, if you have a secondary bladder problems already, yung mga incontinence or overactive bladder, that is more aggravating also.
Yeah.
You can have probably more tendency to go into retention. Minsan, ang pagpipigil, mahirap rin
Oo.
kasi baka overlap yan sa sinasabi natin, pinag-usapan ninyo kanina na holiday heart syndrome.
Oo.
Baka atakehin kayo sa pag hindi
It's
makahinga.
all connected,
totoo
eh,
yun,
no?
because
It's all
all the way,
connected.
all the way.
Oo, totoo
Diba,
yan, Doc.
Papipate,
Di ba, holding on your urine, pag naihi ka, your blood pressure rises.
Yes, so it will rise. Your heart rate, you get heart rate increases, your BP increases, so everything is going up. Then you might be having a attack, atrial.
So,
Hindi
ito,
naman
Doc,
maganda. Atrial fibrillation secondary to retention.
pero Doc, ito question ngayon, recovery, pag-usapan natin
Yun.
ito. Now, we all know that if you drink kahit 1 glass of alcohol, may permanent damage already sa kidneys mo at hindi mo na maibabawi yun. But, ano ang best way to at least tanggalin mo yung toxins after the holidays? Kumbaga to recover man lang your body a little.
You know, kasi we always think na ay okay yan, our kidneys are very resilient, they can do their job. Yeah, they can do their job. They can cleanse, detox, and whatever, no? But the injury is there. So the insult is there. So it is up to us how much insult you want to do to your kidneys, diba? At the end of the day, when you track down and do ultrasound and you see your parenchyma all eaten up, in fibrosis, may injuries, mga ganun, all the tube, then you tend to see na, ay, ito pala nangyari sa atin. It's like smoking, di ba? When you smoke too much, di ba, your lungs tend to be so blackish, then sabi mo, ay,
Yes, oo.
bakit ang pangit-pangit ng lungs mo? And look at how you smoke. Parang from smoker ka. Okay. So, like what you said, Diego, Angel, your kidney can do that much. So, in order to help prevent all of this, okay, you give rest. Oh, how do you rest? Oh, ay, wag na uminom. So, ibig ko sabihin, kung gusto mo talaga uminom, you make sure you period your party on holidays. O,
Spacing.
kung feeling mo lahat ng barkada mo 1 week, pumili ka na lang. Or kung pupunta ka, wag ka na lang iinom na masyado on that day. Then you go to 2 days from then, you can drink a bit. Alam mo yung lahat ng party inimbita ka. Yung iba hindi ka iinom masyado, yung iba kasi kung super friend mo, di iinom ka. Alam mo yun?
Piliin mo kung sino yung tunay na kaibigan, doon ka na lang makipag-party.
Correct.
Yung mga not so friendship, wag na lang.
Well, I guess the message here, Doc, no, is it's okay to party, especially during the holidays, pero take precautions, be careful.
Exactly.
And kung gusto pa natin umabot sa mga susunod pang mga holidays.
Exactly. Yeah.
Baka
Well
naman,
said.
Doc, may message ka sa mga kumain ng lechon kahapon and days ago. And, ano mensahe mo for the upcoming New Year?
Things can be happy when you do your holiday parties, but of course, at the end of the day, you have to check on your health also. Okay. And of course, the pig will always be there. The lechon, it's dead. No, you don't want to be dead on the next year that 2026 will come, di ba? Diba? So let it be a thing to you na yun, pinatay mo sa yung masarap na lechon diyan, pinatay diyan. O gusto mo ba maging ganyan ka lying on deathbed, no? Don't do that. So ngayon, pinch lang kung gusto mo. Kaya naman 'yan, 'di ba? Tayo lang naman 'yan, 'di ba, Angel?
Yes.
Jen?
Kurot balat. Oo.
Oo, meron ka
After
naman kurot
holidays
eh.
ba, Doc, pwede na yung mga cleansing na tinatawag?
Effective
Pwede
ba yun?
Cleansing is okay, but it tends to
Mga colon cleansing, ganyan.
parang sinasabi mo sa sarili mo, Angel, na okay, papalinisin ko yung ko, pero naku, 1 linggo ka nag-iinom diyan. Alam mo 'yon? Kakayanan ba ng cleansing mo lahat? No, 'di ba? As I was saying, if you injure your kidney and that's it, 'di ba? Oh, it's like a comfort blanket na telling you na, cleansing. Sige, tinanga natin.
Sige.
Isang buwang.
Party
Diba?
moderately na lang tayo.
Yes, party. You can still enjoy, and kagaya nga sinabi ni Diego, you choose where you want to have more of the drink and much of the drink, and others, you socialize through communication and
And
Kumbaga, spend the holidays
And
with
others.
people you really, really love and appreciate. Huwag makipagplastikan.
Ayun, sige.
Ayun.
As always, maraming salamat sa iyong oras.
Thank you.
That
Happy
was Doc
holidays.
Merry Christmas!
Joseph E.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.